Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here at Origami, where we have fun with paper. My desk drawer has been a mess for the past few weeks. I've been stuffing so many things in it and it's time to organize it a bit. So today we're going to be making drawer dividers using Origami simple boxes that we can customize into different sizes. I took measurements of my drawer and it was 26 by 28 centimeters. And I already decided to divide it into 4 different areas. The first one for pencils, pens and similar things. The second one for irregular, large objects. And the other 2 are going to be divided into further smaller compartments to hold paper clips and things similar to that. Now we're going to make the first box. The box's dimensions will be 20 in length, 10 in width and 4 in height. And according to these dimensions, we're gonna first calculate the size of the sheet of paper we're gonna be using. The width of the paper is going to be double the width of the box, while the length of the paper is going to be the length of the box plus double the height of the box. So for our case, the width of the paper is going to be 2 multiplied by 10 equals 20, while the length of the paper is going to be 20 plus 4 multiplied by 2 equals 28 centimeters. And now let's start folding the box. So for today, I'm going to be using a thin sheet of cardboard instead of paper because I want the box to be sturdy and not flimsy. So for here, I already cut the cardboard sheet into the dimensions I want, which are 28 by 20. And the first step is going to be bringing the bottom and top edge into the middle. But when we are dealing with cardboard, it's going to be a little bit difficult to actually fold it right away, or Valleyfold it in this case. So we're going to be scoring the cardboard before we fold it, which will make it so much easier to fold, and the crease or the fold will be much neater and sharper. I already marked the 5 and 15 points of this edge to make the scores. And to make the score, we use a ruler and we align it with the marks that we already put. And for scoring, you can use whatever you want as long as it's not sharp. It's a blunt object, but with a pointy end enough to make score in the cardboard. So I like using pens that are dried out and they make really good scoring marks. So this is the first score. And we do this second one as well. After scoring the paper, we're gonna Valleyfold the edge to the center. Like this. This is the first one, and we're gonna Valleyfold the other one as well. The next step will be to Valleyfold the edge back down for both. So this one will be folded down here and the other one will be folded up. And the extent of the fold will be determined of how much height do we want from the box. So from this point to the bottom here, we have 5 centimeters. I want my box to be 4 centimeters in height. So I fold back only 1 centimeter. But if, for example, I want the box to have the height of 3 centimeters, I fold 2. So the remaining is 3. So once again, I score the fold before I do it. So I put my ruler at the marks I already did and score the other side as well. And score. And now I'm gonna fold the edges, Valleyfold them. This pen was not as dried as I thought. It made a mark, but it's okay. It's going to be hidden with this fold anyway. So the first one and the second one. The next step will be to fold this point into the crease that we just did, Valleyfold it, like so. And we're also going to Valleyfold this point to the same crease, like this. And now we're going to repeat this for the remaining 4 points. And this is the third one. Finally, the fourth. And now we fold this flap over, fold it back, here as well. The next step will be to Valleyfold this triangular shape into the interior of the model, like this. This is the first side, and then the second side. And now the final step will be to open these two flaps and straighten the edges of our box. voila, our final box with 20 in length, 10 in width, and 4 in height. And now that we have learned how to make the boxes, I'm gonna do the rest, and I'm gonna see you in a while with the end result. That was it for today. I really enjoyed today's project, so if you guys have any similar ideas that you want to see in the upcoming videos, please let me know down in the comment section. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like, share, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.